there anything special you'd like to do for your last show?
Really?
Anything, Dennis, you name it.
Well, you know, I've always wanted to say live for the Girl Union Saturday night.
Live from Girl Union Saturday night. Live from Girl Union. Saturday night. Live from Girl Union.
It's your boy, Mr. 859 Stylz. We down here right in front of 859 Stylz, 807 Madison. Also home of 859 Sounds. Check us out every Thursday, every Saturday. We at the Haus. My man's K Rally hosting. My man DJ Fred Beats. My man DJ Balance. We got 2 parties, 2 rooms. We gonna go inside of 859 Sounds. Holla my man K Rally. He can tell you a few more details about Saturday Night Live.
I'm in my zone, I'm feeling it. Stop blowing my buzz, quit killing it. So buy another round and try to shut us down about an hour ago. But we still in this bitch, we still in this.
What up, though? It's your boy K Rally, man. Mr. You are now rocking with it and all that good shit. But Saturday Night Live at the Haus is going down this Saturday. We got a gang of groups, man. Let me think. We got Witty Boy, Stormy Monroe, my brother Ron Mack. We got Woody Yerb, Pride of Gray, Loops the Grand Man, Cornbread, B Rich, Dub Loud Pack, Doughboy. Man, there's a bunch of them. Let me think if I forgot somebody. Crazy K. Who else? I don't want to forget nobody. #1 Dirtbag. My nigga World. And if I forgot you, my bad. We get you, man. But Saturday Night Live this Saturday at the Haus. Come fuck with us, man. Let me get back to work.
Looking for you with Haitians. I stay smoking on good Jamaican. I fuck bitches from different races. You get money, they started hating. I woke up in a new Bugatti. 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 I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Niggas be hating, I'm rich as a bitch. 100K I spent that on my wrist. $200 spent that on your bitch. Do me your model, put that on my list. Or there he going that foreign again. Killing the scene, bring the core in the end. Murder she wrote, swallow a choke. Hit her and go, I won't call her again. Woke up early this morning. Crib as big as a college. Smoke me a pound of the loudest. Whipping some shit with no mileage. Diamonds cost me a fortune. Them horses all in them Porsches. You pussies can't handle a